Welcome back, everyone. This is my Tivo, about 5 years old, and it makes a lot of noise. It's a known issue. The fan is going bad inside. Actually, it went bad 4.5 years ago. So 6 months into its life, that fan went bad, made a lot of noise, just like it does now. And I didn't want to send it back, so I ordered a new fan. But before the fan came, it stopped making the noise until yesterday. The noise started back up, so I had to take the fan out, what I ordered 4.5 years ago. Now I hope that thing still works, because I think I cannot send it back. Smart thing to do would be go online and do some research and figure out how the professionals do it. But that's not me. I'm just diving in, open it up like anybody else would do. To open the box is really easy. You just remove the one screw out of the back. It's about towards the middle. And that should be it. Now we just pull the top off. There are some retaining tabs on the sides. We might break them. And I didn't break it. Look at this, all the tabs are on. Now, this fan has 1, 2 screws and probably 2 on the bottom. So that means we have to take that main board out. I have to disconnect my SATA cable. This here is the fan. I have to disconnect this, and this is the power cable. So that's all I have to do, and take the screws out. I will find them and let you know when I have them. We have to take this screw out here too by the HDMI port. Above the HDMI port. And we got to open this thing too. I'm gonna pull the SATA cable off, and I put the mainboard power off just straight up. And here is the fan. The fan we can wiggle through here. It's not too small. So we need only to take these 3 screws out. Then we could just carefully lift that main board out. You gotta watch here the wires. I don't want to pull them too hard. I pull the board out and just flip it over and lay it down. And now I get to the screws on the fan. That's it. So that's the fan. Now let's look at the replacement one, what I bought, and I hope it will fit. It should. Next, we put the main board back in. So the internal stuff is done. One screw right above the HDMI port. Now we clean it up, put it on the shelf and see if the noise is gone. So this was a success. It's absolutely silent again. And that's all I have for this week. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out and I appreciate it a lot. Thank you and have a great week.